Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running a business or managing clients through your WordPress site, then today's video is just for you. We're breaking down the top 3 CRM plugins for WordPress, Jetpack CRM, HubSpot CRM, and WP ERP to help you manage leads, customers, and growth like a pro. Number 1. Jetpack CRM. Let's start with Jetpack CRM, a lightweight, privacy-focused CRM built specifically for WordPress users. What's great about it? It installs directly inside your WordPress dashboard, so no third-party platform is needed. You can manage clients, send invoices, and track transactions all in one place. It's perfect for freelancers and small businesses who want simplicity without monthly fees. The best part is that it's completely self-hosted, giving you full control over your data. Number 2. HubSpot CRM. Next up is HubSpot CRM. If you're looking for a plugin that integrates marketing, sales, and email automation, HubSpot is a powerhouse. You get tools for email marketing, lead tracking, live chat, and forms. It's user-friendly and cloud-based, so your contacts sync automatically between your WordPress site and the HubSpot dashboard. It's a great fit for growing startups and marketing teams. Number 3. WP ERP. Finally, we have WP ERP, short for WordPress Enterprise Resource Planning. This plugin is more than just a CRM. It's a complete business management suite. It offers modules for HR management, accounting, and customer relations. If you're managing a team or multiple departments, WP ERP gives you everything under one roof. So there you have it. Jetpack CRM for simplicity, HubSpot CRM for marketing power, and WP ERP for complete business control. Which one fits your workflow best? Let me know in the comments below.
We also provide WordPress development services, so if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to buddydevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We will also add the link in the description below. You can also follow us on our other platforms. If you found this video informative, then do subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon and like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.